Hi, and welcome to the install of QuickTime. We're going to download the application from the Apple website and install it on our machine so that we can watch QuickTime videos. Open a browser, go to www.apple.com, Apple, hit return, and we're taken to the Apple website with the all-popular iPhone. Go to Downloads, click on Downloads. Once you're in Downloads, we're going to search for the QuickTime, which is right on that front page. There it is right there. Go down to QuickTime, download that. And once that page opens up, we're now going to go make a couple of choices to make our download a little smaller. Unless you're already an iTunes user, you don't need to bring iTunes down with it, and you probably don't want to sign up for this other stuff unless you want to give them their email address. You can do that if you want, but I choose not to. Go ahead and download the software, and then you'll get a message that it's going to come and download. Save the file. Remember where you save it. I always save it, all my files, to a download directory on my computer. So go to my computer. Didn't quite go there that time. And go to local disk C. And you can see I have a downloads directory already created, but I don't have an Apple directory, so I'm going to create a new directory, a new folder called Apple. And then I'm going to open that directory. And you can see there's the QuickTime installer, and I'm going to save it to that directory. And that will download to that directory for me to go ahead and install. So now we're going to install the software. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up my computer and navigate to where we downloaded the file from, which is under C, Downloads, Apple, and there's our file that we want to install. So all we have to do is double click on that file. We get the Run Install, starts up. Go ahead and click on Run. Wait for it to get started. And it's starting to prepare for the install, extracting the files. And now we come to the QuickTime 7 installer. Go ahead and hit Next. You can read the license if you care to. If you want to read something that'll make you go to sleep, be rest assured you're probably giving up your firstborn, as typical with any license. Hit Yes. Pretty much I would accept the default destination. That should be a good destination. Install. And now the install will start. Takes a few minutes and starts going. Now one thing I've done is in this video I've actually cut out quite a bit of the install because it takes several minutes. So probably about 2 minutes of the install were actually cut out of this video, so you're only going to see probably about a minute of the install, the actual install that takes place. So no sense in doing more than we need to. When the installation is near completion, you're going to get a screen that's going to come up and tell you that the install is done. Here we are. We don't really need to configure anything with the MIME types or view readme, so go ahead and just type on finish. They will try to sell you to buy the Pro. It's up to you. I say no thanks. And that should do it. That's it for the QuickTime installer. QuickTime is now installed on your machine. Thank you.